Today we are going to make a strawberry Philadelphia light cheesecake. Let's get started. We will need 200 grams of shortbread biscuits, 100 grams of butter, 250 grams of Philadelphia light cream cheese, 250 grams of thick cream to whip, 350 grams of fresh strawberries, half a lemon, 65 grams of sugar, and we will need a couple of teaspoons of gelatin powder. I mash my biscuits in a plastic bag so we can obtain crumbs for our base. I slightly melt the butter in the microwave and mix well with the mashed biscuits. Then I prepare in a round detachable 24 centimeter baking tray by adding baking paper so it's easier to detach later. Add your base mixture and try to flatten evenly with a fork. Next, we whip the cream and put aside in the fridge. Then we mix the Philadelphia cheese filling, add the sugar, and 50 ml of whole milk into 2 splashes. We slowly add the whipped cream and then the remaining of the milk. Add 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder and mix well. Then we'll pop it in the fridge. Wash the strawberries and leave a quarter of them to decorate the outer side of the cheesecake by cutting the edges, and chop up the rest to cook for the top layer. Make sure to pop the base in the fridge for it to set together with the edges cut. Pop the strawberries in a pan to slowly cook with a squirt of lemon and a tablespoon of sugar. While they cook to tender, we prepare the gelatin leaves. I have used 2 sheets which I have squeezed out the water. Mix well. When finished cooking, then put aside to cool down. After the strawberries have cooled down, I add the filling onto the base and pour the strawberry layer. Keep it in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours or even overnight, depending on how creamy you like the cheese filling. You can also pop it in the freezer for an hour or 2. Enjoy!